Hey everyone, welcome back to my Dev Web App channel. Today I'll show you how to work with icons in React project. I'll use React Icons npm package and will add it to my project. Let's take a look at the app. I have a weather app and I have some settings like Fahrenheit and dark. Dark button allows to change the mode and Fahrenheit button allows to change the units. And I would like to add icons instead of words and provide link to GitHub code and YouTube video. Let's go to the code and add icons. I launched Visual Studio Code and open Weather App project. And now I'm going to add React Icons npm package to my project. And for that, I need to run terminal. And now I'm going to open documentation npm package and I can just copy this code and paste command in my terminal and it should add React Icons package. And let's check package.json file and we have React Icons inside dependencies. Okay, dependencies are added and now I can open header and start my dev server npm run dev and let's open it in the browser. Okay, and I can provide some city. Okay, and now I'm going to change this dark button and also light button, this text, to some icons. And for that, I'm going to open React Icons documentation and search for some icons. And let me search dark mode. And I would like to add this button, this icon, and for that I can click on the icon and copy this code with import, and I'll place it inside my component. And now I can use this component from material design, I suppose, and I'll just change dark word to my component. And let's check. Okay, and inside dark world we have this icon. Let me search for light and probably provide mode. Okay, and now I can add this light mode and I'll add it to my existing dark mode. Okay, and just copy this component and add it instead of light world. Okay, and I can hide terminal. Let's check. I can switch between temps and that works. And let me change also Fahrenheit. I can search for Fahrenheit and well, let's take a look, and probably I'll use this one. Okay, and I can copy, import, and provide it here. And instead of Fahrenheit word, I'll add, I need component, not just name. Okay, and I added my icon, and let's search for Celsius. Okay, and I'm going to add this one, and we'll add it after comma, and I can copy this npm component, this icon component, and provide it here. Okay, and let's check what I have. And we have this Fahrenheit and Celsius instead of words, but I'd like to make them bigger, and let me do it. And for that, I'm going to change styles or provide some styles. And for button, I can even remove this background color and add some margin from right and add some margin from left, and I can add class name to div and provide some text size, and let's try 3XL, and let's check. Okay, and we have our styles, and I can remove button for Fahrenheit, Celsius, button styles, and let me check, and probably I can remove them entirely. Let's check. Okay, and we have our styles. And now I would like to add a link to my GitHub source code and to a YouTube video, and I'll add them after my React Weather app header. Let's go to the code, and inside header, I'm going to provide a tag, and as a link, I'm going to copy paste my GitHub address of the repository, and also I'm going to provide target and make it blank to open in the new tab, and let's add some class name, and increase the text and make it also 3XL, and inside of A I'll provide some icon, and let's search for GitHub, and I would like to add some, probably, I don't know, font awesome. Let's take this one, and I'm going to copy and paste my import and also component, and I'll add my component just inside of a tag. Let's check what we have. Okay, we have our icon, but we need to make it in one line, and for that I'm going to add styles to my h2 tag, and I'll make it flex, and also I can justify items by center. Items center. Okay, and let's add some, probably margin left 3. Okay, looks good so far, and now I'm going to copy paste this link and provide a link to my YouTube video, and let me search for YouTube icon, and I'll also use this font awesome YouTube icon and provide it here, and inside of my a tag I'll use icon, and I need to change link, and I have link inside my readme file. Let's check. Okay, and you can just copy and paste the link. Okay, and let's check what I have so far. Okay, and we have our YouTube link, and let me try GitHub, and it works, and I see my code on GitHub, and I'm going to refresh the page, provide some city name, and search, and now I can change to units to Fahrenheit. Okay, and we have units in Fahrenheit, and here, and let's return to Celsius, and now I can change mode to dark, and I have dark mode, and I can change back to light, and also links work. And that's all that I had for today. If you like the video, subscribe to my Dev Web App channel. Like the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.